Hey family, hey family, hey family. I just want to show you guys right fast. It's been raining a lot here and super duper cold. So the citrus trees have a little frostbite. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I hope everyone is having a great morning. Okay. Let's just take a look. Okay. How it starts out. Let me see if I can see one so I can show you guys how it starts out. Okay, this kind of close to it right here. The tips get real wilty, dark green, almost like spinach. That's what it starts out looking like, spinach. There is no way to prevent it at all, y'all. It's just so much rain, and the rain just creates moisture. And this is after a few days. And we got budding going on. This is what the frostbite look like, y'all. And we even put a propane heater out here. And that didn't stop it. And had the fan going. You know, that frostbite ain't nothing to play with. And the rain just making it worse and worse and worse. The only one that's really holding up good is this Meyer lemon. Now, I don't know what the Meyer lemon before the improved Meyer lemon was like. But this improved Meyer lemon ain't missing a beat. It has not dropped one leaf in the midst of all this crazy weather. Now, this Page Mandarin, it has dropped all its leaves. We've been sweeping up leaves for days. So it is literally dropping all its leaves. So Page, they say 32 is the least for these citrus. That's a lie. I say anything below 50. Now this Satsuma, it haven't dropped a leaf either. Haven't dropped a leaf, so it's doing good. The grapefruit, it hasn't dropped a leaf either. So I don't know about the Page Mandarin for my area. I don't think Page Mandarin is a good one for my area. This whole flow in front of it was covered with leaves. And I'm back out here again this morning, and it's half naked. So, but this Meyer lemon holding up like no other. That's the top one if you ask me. And mainly what has the frostbite is the Calamundan oranges. They the ones who mainly got it. The little small lemon tree, it don't have, like the lemons, they ain't playing no games. The lime has it a little bit. This Calamundan has it a little bit. This one a little bit. And what is this? This is, let's see. This is a lime. It don't have it. See, it's mainly the Calamundans. So, and they say that they're hardy down to 32 degrees. a lie and a truth ain't in them. 50 and above is for these here. But yep, y'all, that's what the frostbite looks like after a few days. Like I said, when it starts, it's like wilted cooked spinach. And after a few days, it's turning brown and it'll be falling off. So I just want to show you guys. Look at all those buds on there. So it's not affecting the budding at all. Like every day, it's more and more buds on them. So, and the lime is budding too. No, that's a calamundin too. This is a calamundin too. And it ain't as bad as the other ones. But yep, I just wanted to show you guys this morning. I said, po babies. And ain't nothing else we can do but let nature happen. That's all we can do. But yep, just a little quick update. And it's foggy, cloudy. All right, family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.